Hello dear students, welcome to today's class. Children, we are carrying on with the revision work of this chapter, third chapter in economics, poverty as a challenge. Children, what we are discussing and what we are trying to understand is that the poverty scenario that is there in India, we have understood it through different examples. One, we have seen the rural example, other we have seen the urban example. We have also tried to understand, are we limiting poverty to just the basic necessity, food, clothes and shelter? Of course, this is needed. Of course, these are the basic necessities. But does poverty limit itself to these points? No, my dear students. There are a lot of other aspects attached to poverty. What are these aspects? हमने इसके बारे में भी बात किया. We have talked about the health issues, the education level, and 2-3 more things that are very important for determining the poverty is the employment, nutritional value, and the last video what we had done is the number and the amount that has been fixed by World Bank. World Bank has given some criteria कि एक आदमी को इतना कमाना ही चाहिए if the person is earning $1.90 per day. ठीक है, एक दिन की कमाई अगर एक आदमी की इतनी है, then the person is not meeting the poverty lines. फिर वो poverty नहीं है, डेली की उसकी income is as much where he can get the bare minimum support for his survival. जिंदा रहने के लिए जितना चाहिए उतना available है. Got it? This is one thing that we had discussed. Today, what we are discussing is, we also discussed about the calorie intake. कितना खाना मिलना चाहिए? 2400. Now, please remember these calorie intake also. 2400 calories per person per day in rural areas and 2100 calories per person per day in urban areas. Got it? So, these criteria and these data that are mentioned, it is important in economics. Economics mein, when you are talking about these data, you need to mention about the exact figures. जैसे कि what we are talking today, we are talking about poverty estimates. Estimates, हम अंदाजा लगा रहे हैं, हम कैलकुलेट करने की कोशिश करेंगे. There is one table given there in your book. I will be showing you that table at the end of the video. कि there is decline in poverty ratios in India. अब क्या है कि poverty ratio में धीरे धीरे कमी आ रही है. First thing you need to understand is decline in the poverty ratio. जितना गरीबी कम करेंगे उतना देश आगे बढ़ेगा. Please try to understand. ये तो एक political party, when we were studying about the electoral politics, तो उसमें एक one party has got this slogan also. ठीक है, गरीबी हटाओ देश बढ़ाओ, this kind of slogan people give ना. So it is really needed that the poverty measures should be taken by government to remove these poverty estimates. Okay, decline in poverty ratio. Okay, in India. कितना हम किस डिक्लाइन की बात कर रहे हैं? What is the decline we are talking about? We are talking about डिक्लाइन जैसे कि 1993-94 में it was 45%. Okay, and now 2004 5 में it has come down. Poverty मतलब 45% people were in poverty and by 2004-5 में it has come to 37.2%. कम हुआ? Yes, because every now and then government is taking some steps. So ऐसा तो है नहीं कि it will all go in vain. सारा बर्बाद चला जाएगा या सारा बेकार चला जाएगा. It is not like as such. If government is making efforts, if government is taking some steps, it will definitely have some positive results. Got it? Then, up poverty line, पहले it was 22%. Below poverty line, the proportion of people below poverty line is going more or less. 2011-12 में people below poverty line, क्योंकि I told you ना research work goes on, surveys are happening, और ये घूम घूम के डेटा कलेक्ट करते हैं. किसका काम है ये? This is the work of NSSO. So NSSO is taking lot of steps, doing lot of things to estimate, to understand the poverty scenario, and that is how the changes are happening. Got it? So people below poverty line, they are 22%. तो आप ये देख लो कि धीरे 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 मामला कंट्रोल में आ रहा है. Recent poverty lines, yes, whatever we are discussing in the classes, so we came to know कि now government has taken lot of measures जिसमें कि at least the people are able to manage and avail 2 meals a day comfortably. ठीक है? देखो क्या है, मेहनत तो सबको करनी है, हम नहीं कर रहे हैं क्या? Everybody does that for the proper meal only ना. अच्छा खाने के लिए तो कर रहे हैं, लेकिन I mean जितना एफर्ट्स होना चाहिए, जितनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं, क्या उसके हिसाब से खाना मिल रहा है? Got it? Please try to understand. So अगर यही ट्रेंड रहा तो पीपल बिलो पॉवर्टी लाइन जो है इट विल कम टू लेस देन 20% आगे आने वाले हैं. अभी 2011-12 का डेटा है. लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट द डेटा दैट इज देयर फॉर 2018-19. तो पॉवर्टी लेवल हैज डिक्लाइंड. द परसेंटेज ऑफ पीपल living below poverty has declined in the early 2 decades. पहले जो 2 decades were there, 1973 to 1993 में decades, अब 10 साल का भी हिसाब देखते हैं ना. we see the calculations of 10 years also. so decade का हिसाब से 73 to 93, 1973 to 1993, the people below poverty line, people below poverty line in earlier 2 decades has declined. Poverty line has declined. धीरे धीरे रेशियो कम होता जा रहा है. It is coming low. पहले क्या था? इट वॉज 407 मिलियन 2004-5 में. 11-12 में इट हैज कम टू 270 मिलियन. बहुत ज्यादा नीचे आया है. ओके, सो 2004-5 में इट वॉज द नंबर. अब ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द नंबर्स ऑल्सो. सो 407 मिलियन पीपल वेर BPL, below poverty line. Now 2011 and 12 में अब कितना हो गया है? It has come to 270 million people. बिल्कुल 200 मिलियन पीपल जो है अभी नीचे आ गए हैं. क्या होता है कि पीपल आर गेटिंग जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज, एम्प्लॉयमेंट होने लगती है, तो क्या होता है दैट द लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड इंप्रूव्स. जिस गरीबी में लोग रह रहे थे उससे बाहर आ जाते हैं. They start coming out of that poverty line and try to find out a good place in the society, earn good living. So these things, what happens, changes the trend of the poverty in the society. Okay. Average decline has happened 2.2 percentage points. मतलब कि 2.2% people have come below poverty line. मतलब नीचे आ गए हैं. Improvement हुआ है 2.2% का. So now please understand ये जो datas हैं, the datas that are here, we will be understanding now the further things with the help of the data. And datas are very clearly given here. एक तो map, I'll be showing you the table as well. Then I'll be showing you about the poverty estimates. पहला तो we have discussed year wise. हाँ, किस साल में कितने, what was the poverty level in which year? Now what we are going to discuss, we will be discussing the poverty estimates according to the groups. किन लोगों में ज्यादा poverty है? Which are the groups more prone, vulnerable? Remember, we discussed one word, vulnerable. So let's discuss about the vulnerable groups of poverty. Yeah, of course, children, you have understood about the vulnerability means the people who are really prone to poverty. अक्सर ऐसा होता है कि गरीब ही रहते हैं. ठीक है, all the social groups and all the economic categories in India that are there, they are which are most vulnerable to poverty. इसमें we will be understanding most vulnerable groups of poverty are scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Children, one thing more that is very remarkable here is, हम अक्सर कहते हैं कि reservations have been given to them, extra privileges have been given to them, लेकिन अब ये देखो, what is this? अक्सर ऐसा होता है ना, क्योंकि इनको बाहर लाना, गरीबी से जब तक ये बाहर नहीं आएंगे, till the time these groups come out of the poverty, things are not going to be solved. तो चीजों को अगर सॉल्व करना है, थिंग्स आर टू बी मेड नॉर्मल, उसके लिए इट इज नीडेड दैट दीज ग्रुप्स आर हेल्प्ड. कहीं ना कहीं से इनको मदद जरूर मिलनी चाहिए. गॉट इट? देन ओनली पॉवर्टी एस्टिमेट्स वुड बी क्लियर एंड पॉवर्टी लाइन जो है वो इंप्रूव होती जाएगी. पॉवर्टी लाइन के बिलो बहुत कम लोग नजर आएंगे. ओके, ये तो एक हो गया शेड्यूल्ड कास्ट. मोस्ट वल्नरेबल ग्रुप्स फॉर पॉवर्टी आर द शेड्यूल्ड कास्ट एंड शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब, एंड अनदर वंस आर द रूरल एग्रीकल्चरल लेबर हाउस होल्ड्स. गांव में रूरल एग्रीकल्चरल लेबर हाउस होल्ड्स. गांव में जो एग्रीकल्चरल लेबरर्स हैं, ऑफ कोर्स, अब वी विल बी सीइंग वन ग्राफ. अब मैं आपको एक ग्राफ दिखाऊंगी. ठीक है, इस ग्राफ में व्हाट इज द मेजर थिंग, द परसेंटेज ऑफ पुअर पीपल इन ऑल दीज ग्रुप्स. ये तो बहुत ही इजी सा ग्राफ है. सो आई विल बी जस्ट शोइंग इट टू यू हियर ओनली. यहीं पे बना लेते हैं इसको. ओके, क्योंकि यहां पे नंबर ऑफ पुअर आउट ऑफ एवरी 100% फ्रॉम द कैटेगरी, हाउ मेनी पीपल आर पुअर. तो पहला हम ले लेते हैं शेड्यूल्ड कास्ट, शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब ले लेते हैं. फिर वी विल बी टेकिंग शेड्यूल्ड कास्ट. आई थिंक यू ऑल माइट बी नोइंग वेल हाउ टू मेक द ग्राफ. मैथ्स में आप लोगों ने जरूर किया होगा. सो दिस इज व्हाट इज मेंशन्ड हियर. देन एवरेज इंडियन, देखो द ग्राफ दैट इज गिवन हियर is mentioning about different categories. Poverty ratio. ठीक है, कैजुअल लेबर रूरल में, मतलब गांव में जो कैजुअल लेबरर्स हैं उनकी क्या कंडीशन है, एंड कैजुअल लेबरर्स इन अर्बन एरियाज, कैजुअल लेबर in urban areas. Different people in different situations, and this is the source of the World Bank. Poverty in India, 2000 most vulnerable groups. India's poverty profile. ये किसने जारी किया था? This has been declared, this has been published by the World Bank 2016 में. तो यहाँ पे आप जो नंबर बता रहे हैं, 0 से शुरू करते हैं, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. ये डेटा जो है, जो इधर जो नंबर है ना, दिस इज टेलिंग कि आउट ऑफ 100 में से कितने लोग पॉवर्टी लाइन के मतलब नीचे रहते हैं. आउट ऑफ 100 शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब में इट इज मेंशन्ड आउट ऑफ 100 43% पीपल. दिस इज द नंबर ऑफ पीपल, 43. इसके बाद शेड्यूल्ड कास्ट में देयर आर 29, थोड़ा कम है इसमें, 29. यू हैव टू मेक दिस इन योर नोटबुक्स. एवरेज इंडियन 22, 29 से थोड़ा कम है, 22. इसके बाद लेबर जो है दे आर 34. एंड यू नो लेबरर्स की हालत जो है हर जगह एक ही तरीके की है, वेदर इट इज रूरल एरिया और इट इज अर्बन एरिया. 34 भी है. आउट ऑफ 100, 34 पीपल in the casual category and in the rural category and in the urban category it remains the same. That is what is the thing talking about. यही चीज हम यहाँ पे डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. Got it? तो labor household is there, labor categories are there, and scheduled tribes सबसे ज्यादा जो हम देख रहे हैं that is the tribal people. Yes, ट्राइबल पीपल, बिकॉज ये जंगलों में रहते हैं, इनको बाहर की दुनिया के बारे में बहुत कम पता है. दे नो वेरी लेस अबाउट द आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड. दैट इज द रीजन दैट शेड्यूल्ड कास्ट एंड ट्राइब पीपल आर फेसिंग सच बिग प्रॉब्लम्स. Lack of education, lack of awareness. Government is making facilities, government is giving them all the facilities, but are they able to come out of it? They are not. We need to study these data. Same thing is there, that scheduled tribe households that are there. In these households, all the three groups, scheduled caste, rural agricultural laborers, and urban casual laborers household, they have seen a decline in poverty. Poverty में अभी क्या हो रहा है? These people are becoming aware and the poverty level is going low. तो अपार्ट फ्रॉम दीज सोशल ग्रुप्स, ये तो हम सोशल ग्रुप्स बात कर रहे हैं जो कि ज्यादातर घूमते फिरते हुए हमको गरीब नजर आते हैं. बट देन देयर इज वन मोर कैटेगरी. पुअर फैमिलीज आर सफरिंग अ लॉट, लेकिन जो सबसे ज्यादा सफर करते हैं दैट इज द विमेन इन द फैमिली एंड द एल्डरली पीपल. खाने के लिए अगर नहीं है तो पहले ये किया जाता है that let the male members have the food, फिर बचा खुचा जो होगा वो औरतें खा लेंगी. Have you not heard about it? Yes, dear children, this is a very serious matter, and this is a very very prominent matter where the women intake food of women is just ignored. जितना मिल रहा है उतना ही खा लें, दैट इज मोर देन एनफ. गॉट इट? Now these two datas, एक तो most vulnerable groups in poverty, scheduled caste and scheduled tribe groups में हमने बात की, and years में हमने बात की. So for year different data is mentioned, and for groups of course I have made it here, but it's in rough. So I'll show you the fresh thing in the book itself. Okay, chalo, let's see the graphical presentation in the book.
Dear students, just now we were talking about poverty estimates. The video that we have completed, there we have to discuss about the poverty estimates. So, two ways we are discussing about these poverty estimates. So, what are these two ways, children? We are talking about two kinds of poverty estimates. One is as per the year and another is as per the groups. I had chosen this mode and I had chosen this method to make the things very clear to you. As you can see here, at many places you will be finding the years that are mentioned here. The first data that is talking about is about 2011 and 12. Look at the poverty percentage. There has been a drastic change from 1973 to 1993. Okay, then we are also seeing 2004 and 5. Lekin 2011 and 12. Dear students, जो चीज़ हमको समझनी है, what I wanted to make you understand is this tabular form, where we are talking about the poverty ratio in percentage and the number of poor people in millions. Got it? Both these things are there. How the poverty is estimated, okay, in the rural and the urban areas. आप ये देख लो, यहाँ पे they have mentioned about the rural areas and urban areas, the poverty ratio in percentage. Sometimes it happens that percentage, sometimes that happens that there are certain printing mistakes. तो 507 यहाँ पे percentage is given, but 1993 94 में हम percentage out of, तो हम इसको 57 मान के चलेंगे. We are considering it as 57 because percentage तो can't go above 100 ना. 100% की बात अगर हम है तो वो 100% में this is there. Total there are 45. तो आप ये देख लो ना कि 45% of people are under the poverty line in the year 1993, 95, 94. Okay, so that means कि this would be, ये नंबर यहाँ पे क्या होना चाहिए? The ratio is a bit different. Got it? Percentage ratio when we are seeing, so rural and urban मिला के total there are 45% people who are below the poverty line. Then we are seeing the data of 2004 and 5 where it is 42 and 26, which is coming to the total of 37% people. नहीं, अभी please try to understand. Dear students, please do not get confused. These are not the total data. Please understand, it is not the total data. It is the overall structure of the people below poverty line. Got it? In the rural areas, we are telling 507. Urban areas में we are saying 32. लेकिन total जब हम देख रहे हैं means in overall India, we are not totaling this. Okay, overall India में there were 45% people. Poverty ratio was 45%. 2004 and 5 में it was overall, मतलब all over India. We are not calculating the rural and the urban and adding it here. No. The total population which was under which was showing the poverty ratio, which was under the poverty ratio was 37%. 2009 and 10, dear students, it was 34 and 21. As you can see, it is very well mentioned here. Okay, ये आप देखो यहाँ पे, this is 34 and 21 and overall total 30. The best thing that we are noticing here, यहाँ पे हमको जो सबसे अच्छा ट्रेंड नज़र आ रहा है, ऐसे तो हमेशा we are talking about the प्लस में कोई चीज़ जाए तो उसको अच्छा मानते हैं, बट देन दिस इज़ द पॉवर्टी परसेंटेज. जितना लो जाएगा, एज मच इट इज़ गोइंग लो, इट इज़ गुड फॉर द कंट्री. Isn't it? Don't you feel so? That is their students. Okay. Then we are talking about the number of poor in millions. Just see 329. Oh, now this is not percentage. Got it? Percentage में 100 and above that, 100 and below that का ही हम calculations करते हैं. लेकिन यहाँ पे रूरल एंड अर्बन एरियाज में वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द पुअर पीपल इन मिलियंस. सो व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मिलियंस, हमको रूरल एरिया में 329 है, अर्बन में 75. कंबाइंड स्ट्रक्चर वी आर गेटिंग 404. गॉट इट? सो द टोटल कैलकुलेशन इन द रूरल एंड द अर्बन एरियाज, we are getting a clear-cut picture. Got it, children? So this is what we are understanding. This is what we have to understand. Ki the poverty, because when you are mentioning your answers, when you are writing your answers, you need to mention about it. इसके बारे में आपको पूरी जानकारी होनी चाहिए और पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन आपको मेंशन करना है. Got it? Another graphical presentation that we have seen today, children, we are seeing today, and we had a discussion in the online session as well, that this kind of poverty in India in 2000, where we are talking about the vulnerable groups. What are we talking? We are talking about the vulnerable groups. तो ये vulnerable groups कौन से हैं? So here we are seeing casual, just check it out, children. Scheduled tribes, scheduled caste, average Indian poverty ratio, casual labor farm in the rural areas and casual labor non-farm in the urban areas. Got it? So, all these calculations that are given. अब आप ये देखो, I hope you all know about the x-axis and y-axis, okay? So this is the x-axis and this is the x-axis and this is the y. ये आप देख रहे हैं. Here you can see what is mentioned here is number of poor out of every 100. ये जो डेटा है, this is showing out of 100. 100 में से 43 people are facing the poverty in India. The ratio in 2000, it is about the scheduled tribes. फिर हमने क्या देखा? We are talking about the scheduled caste, where the ratio नहीं है, it is out of 129 scheduled caste people are poor. Then we see the 22% to 22 people out of 100 average Indian poverty ratio. Got it? This is there. And then we have the casual labor farm in the rural areas and casual labor non-farm in the urban areas. ये दोनों जगह आपको you are getting the same data. 34 and 34. Okay, children? Please understand these points and these things are really important. अगर इसको आप डिटेल में नहीं करते हो, if you are not doing in detail, you are missing on something and you are missing on your marks as well. Please understand, it is very important to mention about all these points in detail. Always support your answers with the help of examples. Got it, children? So this is what I wanted to talk about, children. Here I am finishing it. Thank you so much and all the best to you.